Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about film storage. So had a couple of questions about this, so we figured we'd do a quick little video and show you guys a few little things on quick tips on how to store your film, what to look for, and of course the do's and don'ts of film storage. So every time that you get a film from us, everybody may be different, but from us, it's always going to come in a nice bag that is sealed on one end and then of course tucked in on the other. Always make sure you keep these in those bags because the bag helps keep the humidity and the moisture away from the film. So that brings us to the next point. Always make sure you store the film inside a climate controlled area. That is definitely a must have. You can take a film that will last 2 to 3 years or more and ruin it in 6 months or less. Very quickly, you can ruin it even quicker than that if it's left out in the open or outside or something like that. Definitely don't do that. The other thing to remember is that it's always a good idea to keep wherever you're storing it at, make sure that you have a dehumidifier or some type of dehumidification process in that area because you normally want to keep it at around 50 to 60% humidity. And again, you keep it a little bit lower, that's still going to be fine. You're going to pull it a little bit more dry air into there, that's fine as well. The biggest thing is that you do not want to keep it very humid in there because of course humidity is moisture in the air. So therefore, if this stuff is moisture sensitive because it's water transfer printing, then of course that's going to start ruining the film a lot more prematurely, and of course you're not going to get good results whenever you bring it out the next time to dip it. The other thing to make sure of is that whenever you're storing your film, you can set it like this or you can set it like this. Of course, setting it like this right here on the table, you might start getting creases over time. So that's something to definitely keep in mind. If you have tons and tons of films, then it might be better to go ahead and store it like this or store it where it's hanging some way or somehow. So then that way, nothing is actually setting on the film itself and creating any type of crease or anything like that. Of course, whenever you have your film and you're rolling it out and you're using it, it's always good to pull it out of the bag, use the film, and then put it right back in the bag or the sleeve that you have it in, and of course tuck it down inside so that way you help minimize any contact or any air that could possibly get into the film or start attacking the film. So hopefully this video has really helped you out. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you on anything hydrographics related, as well as let us know how you store your film. If there's anything that we missed, we definitely love to hear about it. Also, if you haven't already, check out our website, liquidconcepts.com. We have everything for water transfer printing, from the film to the supplies to equipment, training, and much, much more. It is a great link to go to. And as always, I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.